Hello everyone, this is the second video on the topic nouns. In this video, we are going to learn about type of nouns with examples. Okay, then let's get started. Different type of nouns are common noun, proper noun, singular noun, plural noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, collective noun, compound noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. Now let's discuss each of them in detail. First is common noun. Common noun are the words that refer to undefined or generic people, places, or things. For example, house, cat, foot, or country. Proper noun. Proper noun help distinguish specific person, place or thing. The names and title of things are always proper noun. इसमें proper noun में specific किसी person, place या thing की बात हो रही है और always ये जो words हैं ये capital letters से start होते हैं. For example, India, name of some country, okay, name of some person, name of that boy. Next is singular noun. Singular noun are words that refer to only one person, place or thing. सिर्फ एक person या place या thing की बात हो रही है. For example, a boy, a pencil, okay, a cat, a banana. Only one, एक चीज की बात हो रही है सिर्फ. Next is plural noun. Plural noun refers to more than one of something. For example, houses, cats, girls, buses. Okay. For example, they are not one. Okay. Many singular nouns just need an s at the end to make it plural. Singular noun में अगर हम s लगा दें, काफी सारे singular nouns में अगर हम सिर्फ s लगा दें, तो वो एक plural noun बन जाती है. Next is concrete noun. A concrete noun is a noun that can be perceived through the five senses. For example, अगर आप उसको देख सकते हो, if you can see, hear, touch, taste और smell, तो वो एक concrete noun है. जैसे कि टेबल को आप टच कर सकते हो, चेयर को आप टच कर सकते हो. Okay, so these are concrete nouns. Next is abstract noun. Abstract nouns are intangible ideas that can't be perceived with the five senses. इनको आप टच नहीं कर सकते. Anger, love, sympathy, creativity, इनको आप देख नहीं सकते हो. ये collective noun. A collective noun is a noun that functions as a singular noun while referring to a group of people or things. Collective noun जो है वो एक singular noun की तरह act करता है जबकि वो एक group of people को refer कर रहा है. For example, a team. एक टीम जो है वो group of people को मिला के टीम बनती है, but हम कहते हैं a team. Crowd, a sum of money. Next is compound. A compound noun combines two or more words into one. Okay, दो words को मिला के compound noun बनता है. Compound noun words can appear as a single word. Okay, for example, toothpaste or haircut. They are toothpaste, tooth and paste are one word words. Okay, if we combine tooth and paste, that makes one word. Okay, and अगर hyphen से भी connected है words तो भी वो compound noun है. For example, dry cleaning, dry and cleaning, ये भी अलग अलग words हैं. Next is countable noun. A countable noun is one that you can count. For example, 2 boats, 5 pencils. Uncountable noun. An uncountable noun is one that cannot be counted. For example, salt, happiness, advice, love. You cannot count salt. Happiness को आप count नहीं कर सकते. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope noun and types of nouns are clear to you all. If you like my video, please press the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.